Good evening, YouTube. Guy contacted me a while ago wanting to know how to hook up a mic jack, remote plug for one of these amps. This amp here just so happens to be 3 and 4. I usually put it 1 and 2. And you can tell by the 1 and 2 because it's got it marked on there most time on your mic jack. Pin 1 and 2. Be this jack, this one and this one. So on the back would be this one and this one. But I think this one had a messed up plug on the back of it. And I made it 3 and 4. But anyways, it's very simple. That's some of the signal I will use. Just tie your switch into that. This ain't tied in. You could use just any two wires. Simple as goes in, turns it on. I don't know if you can see that. LED's on. Turn this off. It goes off. That's all it is picking up a signal from this hot wire coming back through here, feeding to the relay, turning the relay on and off. That's all you're doing. Turns it on, turns it off. Of course, you can still turn it on here, turn it off here. This is your master switch, it's slave. Turns it on and off. That's all there is to it. You can actually use a piece of coax. Do the same thing. See, I wired it up on, yeah. Use a piece of coax. Anything with 2 wires in it. LED's going off. LED's coming on. And that's all I'm doing is flipping that switch. Very simple.
You work in like 96 hours. You work like 12 days.
2-wire connection. Like I said, most time I do 1 and 2, but this happens to be 3 and 4. I mark them most time. If you don't, you take the top off of it and look by the orientation of where it goes. But it's as simple as that. Just imagine this wire being longer. Simple as it can be. Any 2 wires will work. So actually, if you took this leg and this leg, shorted them out, it would come on. I would show you that, but I ain't. My tripod is gone. If you short them out, so I just twisted that up. You stick it in there, it comes on. So pull it out, goes off. And that's all I've done is twisted it up around the LED off, pushing the plug in, comes on. It's really put much fail safe. One of these are hot, one of them needs to be hot. That's all there is to it. Alright then, later.